Hi, this is Jeff from Robotics, and this is part 2 of the Genesis robotic platform build. In part 1 of this series, I demonstrated how the Genesis robotic platform can be controlled with a Sony PlayStation 2 controller. Over the Halloween break, some of you were able to see this video I posted to my Facebook.
Happy Halloween from Robotics. Be safe and stay away from ghosts and goblins.
Today, I'm going to show you the improvements that I've made on this platform and also how I incorporated a voice into this system. I'm using this module here, which is an Emic 2 text-to-speech module. It comes with about 9 different voices. You can change the volume, you can change the pitch, and you can change several different other settings in there to get just the right voice that you want. It's actually quite a unique little module there. It costs about $60, and you can get it from parallax.com, and I can leave a link to that in the description as well. It is manufactured by Grand Idea Studios, I believe. This is actually an upgrade from the Emic 1, which only had one voice on it and had some controllability, but this is actually quite a bit better. And I just went ahead and hot glued this little mount in there for it. Around the back here, you can see the Arduino processor, the main one that I use with the sensor shield, and then here is an Arduino Nano. So I have decided to add a second processor, mostly for the reason that it just wasn't working that well, all on one processor. And this allows me to change the voices, reprogram everything, without actually affecting the main program set on the Arduino for the motor controls. As we move down here, we have my amplifier. Sorry about the focus there. I'll try to get a little closer view. All of the sound is running through this amplifier, which is just a quick little clone of an amplifier I found online. The actual amplifier cost maybe $10 or $14, and I just had the parts laying around. The schematic was simple, so I just went ahead and rebuilt it myself, and it works pretty well. So I've just added a couple of voice samples that will be activated when I hit these buttons. For instance, if I touch the green triangle.
Hello, my name is Genesis. I was created by Robotics.
As I mentioned before, the Emic 2 text-to-speech module comes with 9 different voices. I believe there are 4 female and 5 male voices. This is an example of a male and a female.
Do you like robots? Sometimes I wonder if it's not very human.
And the Emic 2 actually has a song demo as well. So Genesis, will you sing me a song?
Please allow me to sing for you.
Thanks, Genesis. That was beautiful. As you can see, the voice and mouth sync up pretty well. There is definitely some improvement that could be made, but this was just a quick trial. I think I am going to do a little more work with the software, but I wanted to put a voice into Genesis and give you a quick demonstration on how that works. Genesis is also able to use any type of audio as well, just simply by plugging it into the amplifier and sync up the mouth to that as well. Here's a quick demonstration of how I do that. So I have with me here the Amazon Echo, and I'm sure you guys are very familiar with this. You can get it from Amazon, of course, and all that I have is just a phono cable that I built real quick and plugged it into the audio. And that should sync up the voice relatively nice with Genesis. And let's give it a shot. Alexa, recite pi.
By pressing the value of pi is 3.1415 565358979323846 Yowzer! This goes on forever.
Sure does. Anyway, that's a quick demonstration of how you can plug in a different audio source and not just the Emic 2. So obviously the possibilities are quite vast as far as that goes. Clearly the Amazon Echo is a fairly intelligent piece of equipment, and this is just a brief example of how I can plug in the audio, but it's obviously Bluetooth capable and it's cloud connected, so perhaps in the future we can find a way to integrate the cloud-based electronics and storage into the Genesis platform and make a more intelligent functional robot. Well, that's all the time I have for now. I really hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to this channel. Check back again next time for another update on the Genesis platform. I have an idea to change the design for the neck and hopefully give it a little bit more mobility, and I'll explain that in the next video. Say goodbye, Genesis.